I started stepping on the scale and I started seeing the numbers drop. And this was without even doing cardio. So I was close to, I started out, like I said, 205, 210, started dropping down to 200, and then slowly started dropping down more. And I realized while I was working out and while I was dieting, my confidence was going up extremely. So I ended up losing, I think, what am I at now? Like 181. So I'm down 30 pounds in 2019. Weight's gone down, everything's essentially gone down, confidence is at an all-time high, and I've never had to deal with those sleeping issues at all. So that was the biggest thing for me. Now, biggest thing for me too is people make a first impression, especially in my business, when I walk in for a meeting based on how you act, what you look like, and who you are. And mental health is just as important as physical. So the physical transformation was great, but the physical transformation shaped my mental transformation as well. So I think that was the biggest component. And we had a great time during Q4 getting my health in check. So started seeing that dropping, started getting more involved. And then back in, I think it was October, we started picking up cardio light. So now we're up to 3 or 4 times a week now. But it's not like heavy cardio. It's like, what are we doing? Like 20-minute runs, or I got a Peloton, so I do like 20-minute Peloton classes. And right now we're sitting at about 180. But I mean, I was looking at my progress pictures the other day back from July, and there was actually one picture. It was a dinner that we were at, and I looked at myself at that dinner, and I was wearing this polo, and I was like, holy hell, I'm fat as could be sitting in a booth at dinner. And then I looked at my progress photo and I scrolled all the way back down. I was like,
abs and stuff, dude.
yeah, I got abs. And I was like, okay, shit, this shit's like working, looks good. And so I think that was the biggest thing. Like most people think of, okay, yeah, I don't want to do a physical transformation. I don't want to deal with all that. It's too much work, too much of that. But the other benefits aside from just getting yourself physically in shape, it changes your diet, changes your sleeping patterns, and also just changes your mental mindset of saying, hey, let's get your whole life in check, but let's start off with one thing because physical is going to relate to mental. Like I look at, we're in the gym, I got to do 10 reps of this one weight. Okay, well, if I do this 10 times, okay, I'm going to feel better. Maybe I'll do a couple extra too. Well, I got to make 40 dials a day every day at the office for my job, calling new prospects. I hate making phone calls, but it's just like being in the gym and doing the weights. If I put up 10 there, I can do 10 on the phone. Easy does it on that side. So the whole mental transformation was the biggest thing for me, along with the physical transformation as well.